Hello guys, welcome back to TechNetty's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about variables in Java programming language. Before going ahead, I just want to let you know, guys, that we have made different videos on Java already. So please do check out our Java programming tutorials series. And before this, and you just need to know that what is the life cycle of a Java program, Java history, Java introduction, Java basics. Okay, basic terminologies of Java, so that you can understand very well next coming things. Okay, so let's start, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel, so that you will get content of lot of topic in Java. So let's start. So what is variable in Java? A variable is nothing but a container, or we can say is a container that holds the value while the Java program is being executed. Okay, this is a theory. Let's understand practically. Okay, let's see here. Example: int x equal to 2. Okay, here x is a variable, and we know we have studied math as well. So in math we used to declare variable like x equal to 2 and x equal y equal to 4, then x plus y equal to 4 plus 2 6, something like this. Okay, so x has value 2, that is x is a variable, and int is a data type that shows x has some value which must be a integer. Okay, so here what is the meaning of total int x equal to 2? Int is our integer that shows the data type, what type of data that x variable contains. Okay, and 2 is a value. Okay, in the same manner, second example, string y is equal to technetis. Okay, string is data type, y is a variable, and technetis. And suppose if we write anything in Java program, and that holds some location, that holds a memory in memory. Okay, so variable is nothing but a name of my memory location. Okay, we will see this whole thing in deep scenario in upcoming videos. Till then, let's see some different theoretical topic that you need to know. Okay, what are the type of variable? There are three type of variable, that is local variable, instance variable, and static variable. Okay, what is local variable? Local variable is nothing but declared within the body of a method, is called local variable. That means that local variable is not accessible outside of method. Okay, what is instance variable? Instance variable, non-static variables, are declared in a class outside of any method, constructor, or block. But instance variable is limited. Instance variable is for limited time. Okay, remember. Static variable are those variables that are common to all the instances of a class. Only a single copy of a static variable is being created, shared among all the instances of a class. Static variable are class variable. Okay, maybe you can't understand what are those static variable or class or something like this. We will understand later on. Just want to know, let you know, guys, that what are the type of variable. That is why I have I have put some content over there, so that you get to know the basic terminologies. Okay, what is final variable? Variable is used when you don't want to uh, when you don't want your variable to overwrite again. Suppose, uh, and how to declare this final variable in Java programming language? Final int num is equal to 10. That means, how to declare final? Then you need to write final variable, final keyword. Then int is our int is showing that num has integer type of data. Num is equal to 10. Okay, now if we write again num is equal to 23, it will throw an error when you run this Java program. But if we don't write this final, okay, before this int, and then we can run this program, the same program will run with no error. Okay, that's the beauty of final variable. If you want to declare some variable that is a constant, suppose pi, like we know pi is a pi has constant value, then we can use this type of final keyword for that type of content or data. Okay, how to declare variable? See, there is a type, variable name, and has some value. Okay, type is like int, string, variable name is x, y, abc, whatever you want to give, and the value has means some kind of data should be there. So this is all about variables in Java, and the very basic understanding I want to give you all, guys. So that is all about Java variables in Java. So thank you all, and please subscribe our YouTube channel, that is TechNetics. You already know, and do subscribe our YouTube channel. And yeah, remember in the next videos we will do hands-on on everything that I have discussed in this video. What is local variable? How to declare a simple variable? What is a static variable? So please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.